What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP comes to y'all with another how-to. Today we have a 2015 Nissan Altima. I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and install your own. If these are the things that you're into, please consider subscribing. These are the things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio and install related. That's what the channel is about. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is take these silver trims off, and I just want to kind of come right here and grab it from the bottom. They are held in by some clips, so this little piece was getting hung up, so it's looking like this part is inside of that part. It looks like this part is inside this part at the bottom. So if I would give you guys a little tip, let's take this bottom part off first, which is going to be the little side seal part right here. So take that part off first, and then you're able to remove that. And now we're able to get to this one. And that one came out 1,000 times easier once we had that done. Next, it looks like we have two Phillips on each side holding the AC controls, and we have two Phillip head bolt screws on each side holding the AC. Once we take those out, I'm pretty sure it's going to reveal some more screws that we can actually use to take the radio out. So let's take these off first. And once we take the vents out, held in by clips. So these are the clips. Like I said, there's only clips. Once you take those two bolts out, we have two Phillips at the top, and then we also have two Phillips at the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and take those four out, which is actually holding the radio. Take that out. Unplug anything from the AC or the passenger airbag if you don't want to. Less things we have to unplug and take out, the better, right? So just unplug these harnesses from the back side. Right. So there we have the factory radio. After taking out the harnesses, there were 4 harnesses in the back. Let's go ahead and get to the test bench. And of course, I will try to find all the links to this stuff and put them in the description for you. It's gonna come with your high gloss black dash bezel. It's going to come with a pocket if you want to use that for a single DIN radio installation. We are not using the single DIN part. We are installing this Kenwood DMX 125 BT radio. We're going to have our 2 side bracket, and it's also going to come with 4 screws. This one says right, so it's going to go on the right side. I'm going to actually take the deck screws, which would be the screws that came with the radio, and we want to put 2 on each side. All right, let's get this thing wired up and get back inside the vehicle. Now at this time, I want to kind of halfway put it on just to make sure that everything is going to fit how it's supposed to, and it does fit good. So now we can start putting it back together. Now we've already done the wiring, and this is your first time here at the channel. You're probably asking yourself, why didn't I actually go over the wiring part? Well, here at this channel, we mainly do radio removal and install videos. So, and as of right now, I have over 375 videos. So I didn't want to go over the wiring every single time because it's mainly the same. As long as you get the aftermarket wire harness. The aftermarket wire harness's job is to convert your factory wire colors with your aftermarket wire colors. That way, installing it will be as easy as possible. But for the people who don't understand what the aftermarket wire colors are, you don't have to worry about that, because I have made one video showing you guys how to wire up a CD player, where I go over all the basics on what the aftermarket wire colors are, where they go to, all that type of stuff, different connections. Now I do understand that every vehicle is not the same, and some may need a module, and if I've already made a video on that module, which 9 times out of 10 I have, I will link that for you guys as well. That way we can keep these short, sweet, straight to the point, and it keeps the video just flowing as easy as possible. Now, if there's anything vehicle specific that I come across that's a little bit different than outside the basics of a normal install, then I will put that in for you guys, because I don't want you guys to be lost. But other than that, we're not going to go over wiring every time we do one of these videos. Now that I'm in this state, before I get too far along, I want to go ahead and turn it on and test everything, like steering wheel controls, backup camera, because we did put a camera on this one, make sure all that stuff works. If you guys find any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I would like to take this time to give a shout out to anybody who decides to support the channel, whether you guys get one of the fan subscriptions from JPtheinstallguy.com or the Patreon, you order your products from JPtheinstallguy.com, or hit those links down in the description. Everything goes a long way with me, because you guys didn't have to do any of those things, but you found enough value to do it, and it is greatly appreciated. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling you guys to keep going and keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.